So here we have Kaimana. He's going to help you with the forward rolling break fall. So first thing is he's going to have his feet staggered. They're not going to be in a direct line. They'll actually be staggered, just like if he was walking and stopped and somebody pushed him from behind. The thing is, the most important aspect is his back foot is pointed straight. If it's straight, that's the direction he's going to go. If it's pointed this way, going to the right, he's going to go more this way. He's going to fall over this way. But so he's going to have it straight. The second thing is he's going to put his hands together, try and put his middle fingers almost touching, right? And what that does is it basically means he's going to be rolling on this side of the shoulder. Now here, the most important thing is tucking his chin to his chest and pushing off of his back foot. That's what you do. You put your hands together, you tuck your chin and push off your back foot and go. And what he does here, as you can see, he's not flat on his back, he's on his side. This hand is on his chest. The reason is you want to protect it just in case it doesn't catch on somebody else's gi, like your fingers, and get caught. This hand is at a quasi 45-degree angle with his body, which is always the goal in martial arts, to be 45-degree angle. The foot that lands, the goal is to be behind the knee. You don't want to have it behind the ankles because this side, this leg, and this hand is what's taking the brunt of the impact, okay? So he's going to do it again, same thing. Good, right? Okay, good. Get up, do it again. A little bit faster.
All right.
Okay, that's how it lands. Okay, good. Now we're going to do the same thing, but from the other side, the other foot forward. It's always important that you practice with both sides just to become comfortable with it. Right foot forward, the back leg is pointed which way? The toes. Okay, forward. Hand, middle fingers together. Tuck your chin, push off the back foot and roll. Okay, what he's doing here again, 45 degrees angle. The other hand is now on the chest, foot behind the knee. Good, let's do it again. Good, perfect.